Welcome to Holy Shit. I hope you like it. पड़ोसियों में खिट पिट मच्छर मारे लगा के हिट।
भाई ये क्या बोल रहा है? ये तो है ही नहीं गाने में।
भाई गाना हो या ना हो यार, राइम करना चाहिए। Hey, welcome back guys to another episode of Holy Shit. By now I think you must have guessed that this episode is all about shitty lyrics in Bollywood. That was just to show you that no matter what the lyrics are, no matter what the song is all about, if you have the right music and you have the right background, in this case Switzerland, people don't mind whatever you sing. The song is a hit. So now the lyrics of this song are mind-bogglingly stupid. That's the word. Because no matter how much you try to understand this song just would not make sense. Check it out for yourself.
खड़ा है खड़ा है खड़ा है खड़ा है खड़ा है खड़ा है दर पे तेरे आशिक खड़ा है खड़ा है खड़ा है खड़ा है दर पे तेरे आशिक खड़ा है।
मम्मी होली शिट का एपिसोड
ना हां यहाँ चलाऊंगे हम उसी हां देनागे एक खंजर आहा दे आ दिन देखूं तेरे बेटा तो रिकॉर्डिंग बंद कर बे ए तो बंद करो ਇਹਨੂੰ ਚੱਕੋ ਜਰਾ ਹੁਣ ਸਿਖਾ ਦੇ।
Sorry mummy, let's move on to the next song.
ये मालगाड़ी तू धक्का लगा
बंद कर
यार क्या वे दोबारा आमा मैं
Sorry mummy, बंद कर यार। Now this song can definitely be used for some advertisements such as Close Up, such as Mint. I can sometimes picture, Close Up and Mint ads popping up in the middle of this song.
तेरी सांसों में ऐसे बस जाऊं जुदा कोई ना कर पाए तेरी बाहों में यूं सिमट जाऊं
सांस में तेरी सांस मिली मुझे सांस आई।
Was it perfect for the situation? Although we don't understand this song completely, but I think some situations demand this song. For example, Tiger Shroff and her sister, I mean his sister. Now this is perfect for them because his sister looks like a guy and he looks like a girl.
तुम लड़की हो मैं लड़का हूँ।
However, I don't think Mr. Salman Khan needs to explain that he's a guy. After all, he's Salman Khan, not Karan Johar. We all love Govinda, but sometimes when we listen to songs like this, we think he's such an emotionless guy.
तुझको धक्का लगा तो मैं क्या करूं तुझको धक्का लगा तो मैं क्या करूं
तेरी नानी मरी तो मैं क्या करूं तेरी नानी मरी तो मैं क्या करूं।
Come on man, Nani died. Show some respect. Forget about your bhel puri and forget about your nandiyabazi. Show some respect. A woman died.
को कर लो सेट सेट दोनों गालों को वेट वेट जब दोगे तब यू गेट आओ ले लो ग्रीडी पप्पी।
पप्पी से याद आया, have you ever heard this song? If you can't kiss me right now, just give me a kiss on loan. Baby, come on. No, I don't want to kiss. I don't feel like. Baby, come on. Can you give me loan, chumma?
कि चुम्मा तुम मुझको उधार दे दे और बदले में यूपी बिहार ले ले और बदले में यूपी बिहार ले ले।
I didn't know that UP and Bihar were for sale. So if her chumma can buy UP and Bihar, can my chumma at least buy Sikkim? Oh, Goa is really small. Opposite to the contrary belief that Salman Khan, Hrithik Roshan, these guys are the sexiest Bollywood celebrities. But no, we think Govinda is the sexiest. You don't believe me? Check this song out.
मेरी पैंट भी सेक्सी मेरी शर्ट भी सेक्सी मेरे बाल भी सेक्सी मेरी जान भी सेक्सी ये रुमाल भी सेक्सी है।
Script भी sexy, उनकी wig भी sexy, उनकी चुन्नी is also sexy. Porn is the most diverse word in the Indian cinema because this word has been single-handedly used by the topmost Bollywood celebs in the top contending movies in India.
लड़की पपा तू लड़का पपा हम दोनों मिले पपा अब आगे होगा क्या।
लिखा है inspired writing.
Now in this song we are confused because what is the need to tear off your clothes? Hey, nobody is interested in Govinda, but if Ravina Tandon was singing the song, it would go to the whole next level. It's just like Ghajini. Amir would have died instead of Asim. The movie would have been more interesting. So now this song basically explains the whole plot of Inception. The actress is dreaming of the guy in a dream 20 years ago before the movie came out. We in the Alok Nath inspirational India, with the yuga of Mahabharata and the Ramayana going through our veins, we are very traditional. We don't want to talk about booty as booty. But we have another word. Tomb. Although Gangs of Wasseypur was a masterpiece, if you have to find this song, you have to type tat tat to to. We think that the lyricist must have gone to a jungle sitting next to a pond. Then he heard these weird noises coming out of the bush. Tat tat to to. These must be sitting in a jungle or on the toilet seat, because that's the only places when you can hear these weird sounds. And when we're talking about toilet, let's talk about shitty lyrics which actually have shit in them. These are the lyrics from mainstream Bollywood movies. Because they are tall, so the distance of the poop which has to fall into the water is too much that if the water splashes out, it gets on your clothes. So you sit nude on the toilet so that your clothes don't get dirty. This is one explanation which I would come up with. We all have people who are outside India, NRIs. They don't know much about relationships in India, like Chacha, Mama, Taya. You can always make them listen to this song.
मेरे बाप की बेटी मेरे को भाई बोलती, मेरे बाप की बीवी मेरे को बेटा बोलती, मेरी माँ का भाई मेरे को भांजा बोलता, मेरे भाई की बेटी मेरे को चाचा बोलती.
This song must be what inspired Anil Kapoor to get rid of all the chest hairs. This song only talks about pasting the picture with Fevicol on your chest, but it does not mention what happens when you take that photo off. There it is. This is the whole video about the shitty Bollywood lyric songs that we have. We at Holy Shit are giving away free exclusive Holy Shit t-shirt. If anybody can tell us the word meanings for these following words: Dinka chika, bolo tanarara, tutak tutiyan, bol dal hichak hichak, body hichak hichak, pong. Bye bye from Holy Shit. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, दबा के episode कराओ hit.